How to add auto lyrics in Capcut. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up Capcut. Once you do that, let's choose a video. I'm going to choose a random one. Say for example this one right here. Let's click on add. And one thing that you should note and keep in mind is that auto lyrics on CapCut allows you to add the lyrics from both the video or the audio. For the sake of this video, I'm going to add the lyrics from an audio. So let me just mute the video and let's go ahead and add an audio, which will be a random song from the library. So I'm going to choose, for example, let's wait for it a bit. So for example, I'm going to choose this song right here. Once the song has been added, let's go back to the previous menu and from there click on text, and here you will see this option that says auto lyrics. Just click on it, and once you do that, you will get this window that, as I said, allows you to add the lyrics from the audio or the video or from both of them. So let's just leave this on audio, and you also can change the lyrics language. As you can see, it's set to English, so let's leave it like that and click on start. And as you can see at the top of the screen, the app is now creating the auto lyrics. So let's wait for it to finish. Now, as you can see, the lyrics are now ready right here, and the next step is to add them to suit our need. Now, the first thing that you notice is that there's this new menu at the bottom, which allows you to edit lyrics. So say for example that you've lost this menu. For example, you just went back to the previous menu right here, and now you are wondering how you can get it. You just need to click on text. Once you do that, you will see that the lyrics has been displayed and appeared. Just click on them and you will get that menu again. So how can we edit the lyrics? The first thing that we can do is we can play around with the lyrics right here. As you can see, we can move them across the screen however we like. We can make them small or big. We can rotate them however we want. So let's just set them back as they were, and let's start to see what's going on with the menu at the bottom. Now, as you can see here, you have a bunch of options, so let's go through each and every one of them. The first one is the batch edit, which allows you to edit the lyrics. So if there's any misspelling or wrong words, you can just edit them right here. And the second option is to the split. So if you want to split this segment right here, lyrics, you can do that. You can even copy them for whatever reason you want to do that. And the fourth option is to style. So let's click on it. This is what we want. Now, as you can see here, when you do that, you'll see that there are a bunch of tabs right here. So let's go through each and every one of them. The first one is the font tab, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can change the font of the lyrics depending to any font you want from these ones right here. So let's just choose a random one, say for example this one. Keep in mind that the font has to be downloaded first, so you might have to wait for it. And as you can see, the font has been changed. So this is the first tab. The second tab is the style tab, which is pretty self-explanatory. It allows you to choose uh, colors and stuff for your lyrics. So as you can see here, you have a bunch of styles you can choose from. Say for example, going to choose this one right here. This one looks pretty good. You can even here change the colors, such as the text, the stroke, the glow, the canvas, everything. You can modify it however you like. And at the bottom you will see that you have the size for the fonts and the opacity. So it's kind of the transparency of the font. You can set it depending on what you like. The third tab is the effect. By the way, these tabs right here, uh, you can find them also right here. So this is, we were on the effects. As you can see, this is the effects, this is the bubble. So some of them, the animation will be included uh, here in this section, so we will see them as we go through right now. The third tab is the effects tab. As you can see, it allows you to choose effects for your um, lyrics. So you can choose a lot of effects. As you can see, the effect has been applied. It kind of gave the lyrics uh, kind of shadow or something like that. It looks pretty cool. So as you can see, this is the lyrics without the effect, this is with the effect, so it looks pretty cool. Let's leave it like that. And the fourth tab is the animation, which is pretty self-explanatory. So you can choose one of these, a lot of different animations for the auto lyrics, how they will appear and how they will enter the scene on your screen. So you can do that. Let's just wait for this to be applied so we can move on to the last. As you can see, it looks amazing. So this is without, this is with. This looks cool. And the final tab is the bubble, which is kind of the background for your lyrics. As you can see here, there's this kind of square, rectangular, something like that of background. You can change the shape of it. As you can see, you can make it like a cloud. You can make it like an explosion. For you can even make it. Let me just search for a cool one. So for example, I'll just do this or this or this. And for the effect to be used, you need to turn off the background uh, for your lyrics. So like this, as you can see, you cannot use one of these that has background. So keep that in mind. And let's go ahead and make this kind of cute. Let's make this big like this. Just randomly, showing you how to use the app. You can use them for however you want. So, oh, it's cloud, so let's use a cloud according to our video, of course. So let's click on save. So this was this segment, and the other options are the delete, the text to speech, the bilingual. If you want to, for example, um, change the language of your lyrics to another language, you can do that. And this is the effects we've seen previously. As you can see, this is the bubble which we just did, and this is the transition from the one effect to another. uh, and the last one is the animation, which we also have already set. And once you're done, you will see that your video will be played like this. Let's just go back and let's see. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, so that's it for that was it. That's all there is to it, to add in lyrics, auto lyrics in Capcut. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add auto lyrics in Capcut. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.